If your PC does not have any speakers, or they are not loud enough, or they stopped working, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Android phone into a fully functional Bluetooth speaker for your Windows PC. So let's begin the video. First, head over to the link given in the description below and download the zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, open the Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Make sure that both your phone and Windows PC are paired via Bluetooth. If not, press Windows plus I to open Windows setting. Then, click on Devices. Add Bluetooth or other devices. Select Bluetooth. And now select your device. Click Connect. After both the devices are paired, open Play Store on your phone and search for an application, Bluewire, and install it. I will leave the download link of APK in the description as well. You can install the application from there also. Once the application is installed, open it. Click on No, open Bluewire server folder, Bluewire server, and double click on bluewire server.exe. Click on Scan and select your device and hit Connect. Now your PC will start transferring the audio to your Android phone over Bluetooth. Now let's try to play something non-copyright. If you wish to disconnect, click on Disconnect and your device will be disconnected. Let me know if you are facing any problems in this process. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. So that's it for now, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.